Hello everybody, my name is Erin Gonzalez and I am from Minnesota. For nursing experience, I have roughly around 2 years. I started off my career as a pediatric home health care nurse. I worked with kids who were chronically ill. Typically they had trachs or were on a vent, combo of both, and I had an oncology focus because I was very motivated to be a HEMOC nurse. And then following that, I applied to the hospital here in Minnesota that I was really hoping to get into, and I did. I was hired onto their cardiovascular intensive care unit, which kind of just changed my view and my focus. To swing back around to Regis College, I am in the pediatric nurse practitioner program. I would say that my strengths with pathophysiology is that I am curious. I like learning about why things are the way they are. So like for diseases, why do certain diseases occur and what can we do about them? I feel like that intrinsic motivator will be very helpful for this class. And I would say that my weakness is that I haven't had a pathophysiology course or something similar to that effect in a couple of years. So this will be more, I don't want to say it would be more like new information. It'd be a refresher, but I'd say I'm like somewhere in the middle. I would say overall my career goal following Regis would be to be hired on and work in a cardiology clinic. And my interesting fact is that I speak Spanish fluently. English is actually my second language. Thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye.